What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. Today's just an alternator replacement because the bearing is being so goddamn loud. I can't even think straight when I drive. I've got this one down here, brand new, not refurbished, literally brand new. So we're gonna throw her in place. Everything looks pretty good. It's just 4 bolts and a plug. So this one shouldn't be too long. God forbid, nothing should really go bad. Let's get to it. So right now I'm just gonna get the car up so I can get that wheel off and have access to the side. While I'm at this, I should let you guys know that we have new pads and rotors coming tomorrow. Okay, so now that we have the wheel off, I can show you guys this, and now it's gonna show my finger. And this are clips that just need to come off. And then this whole panel will just pop right out. And then we'll have better access to the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, the serpentine belt, whatever you want to call it today. Oh, come out. We're going to yank it out anyways. I don't even think I have this on the other side. Yeah, we're going to Canadian Tire. There's not a chance. I can't get to that at all. Here, one there, and then there's a third one down there peeking. But I can't get that, and those are loose at the moment because I just broke them free with my hand because the idler pulley, the belt tensioner down there, I can't get off at all. So down here, super rusty and bad. So I actually have to get up here, hold the hood with my back, drop the alternator into place. Preferably without fucking destroying it. I just have to make sure I've got a good grip on it. Whoa, only snapped a little bit of plastic. Went in a lot easier than it came out, I'll tell you that. Okay. I'm just going to set that there and hope it doesn't move. We're going to put the hood clamp back on. Okay, that was a lot easier than it should have been. Okay, so I don't even want the gloves for this because I want to be able to make sure that this is going to seat properly. Okay, the first one's pretty much all the way in. Okay, second one's all the way in. Now time for the trick. Sorry you guys really can't see any of this. I can't help that. Ah, fuck. That third is a real bitch. So now you guys are going to see pretty much how I got the belt tensioner loose. All I did was use my jack and its handle. Make sure the belt's in place when I do it. Okay. Now the belt is loose. Fuck off, B. I just have to pull it up and around the alternator. Oh, that belt is going to tear itself. I just have to adjust it a fucking cunt hair more. Actually, where I'm pushing on, but I want to make sure the belt's okay. Problem is if it touches the side of that engine when it turns, it's gonna destroy itself. Oh, crap out of there. I'll just rip that out. I'll literally just rip this piece out. I don't give a fuck. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. So I just wanted to let you know this video was a bit of a mess because I did it over the course of like 2 days on the weekend. It was a big pain in the ass. I didn't get some of the footage in pulling the alternator out because that was the hardest part, and I also didn't get footage of initially taking the belt off the pulley. So sorry about that one. That one kind of sucked, but I did do my best. And right now I've just got new pads and new rotors, but those are wrong, so can't use those. I got new pads from Part Source today, so I'm going to put those on, and then that should be up probably by, I'm thinking, Thursday. So again, thanks for checking in, guys. Join me on the next one.